feet tall and full of questions. You must have thought I was the smartest man alive, and I didn't have all the answers to every little how and where and why. Like Daddy, why's the sky so blue today? Does Jesus really hear me when I pray? When I grow up, will I be just like you? Will I be
Di ka daw nag-aahe.
strong and brave?
Nagamating ni sugat niya.
There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. A promise that's sacred, a promise from heaven above. No matter where you go, always know you can depend on your Father's love, especially when it's cold, especially when you're lonely, when your little heart's just trying to find its way. And I know the world is always changing, but remember, son, some things never change. Even when my life on earth is through, there will still be part of me in you. 'Cause some things are forever, nothing's ever gonna take my love from you. There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. A promise that's sacred, promise from
Ay. Ha?
Did I hug enough? Did I care enough when you most needed me? Was I there enough? Enough to make you feel the power of your Father's love. Father's love, Father's love, your Father's love. Father's love, Father's love, Father's love. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven?
Miss mo na si Lolo? Miss mo na. Sabi mo kay Lolo.
If I saw you in heaven, I must stay here in heaven. Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please. Beyond the door, there's peace, I'm sure, and I know there'll be
Isang haligi ng tahanan na nakaalalay at laging nandyan. Salamat aming Ama, di mo pinabayaan, sa amin ay dakila ka. Salamat dahil nandyan ka lang, sumusuporta, di kami pinababayaan. Yeah, mula noon hanggang ngayon, lumipas man ang panahon, nananatili kang nandyan nakatuon. Ang bawat oras, laging pinapamalas, maging halimbawa ng mabuting ama. Napakaswerte namin dahil ikaw ang aming tatay, palagi na sa amin umaalala. Isang haligi ng tahanan na nakaalala at laging nandyan. Salamat aming Ama, di mo pinabayaan, sa amin ay dakila ka.
Alam mo ba, hindi ako nagsisisi na ikaw ang aking ama. Palagi mo mang isisi sa sarili, maniwala.
Naming Papa, ika'y matulog na. Mata'y ipikit, huwag nang tumawa. Marami pa akong gagawin, ako'y di pa nagsasaing. Tulog na Papa, mahal namin Papa. Papahinga ha, good night. Sleep, love you.
Papa kong mabait. Papa kong mabait, ika'y matulog na. Mata'y ipikit, huwag nang tumawa. Marami pa akong gagawin, ako'y di pa nagsasaing. Papa kong mabait, Papa kong mabait, Papa kong mahal na mahal kita pa.
Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will
sa bahay, mga nagsusugal na naman kayo.
Ikaw, Ana, maayos ka, ayusin mo buhay mo, huwag kang gagaya sa magulang mo. Tigas-tigas ng ulo mo.
Pumasok na naman kayo ng CR, naligo na naman kayo, mga di naman kayo nagtitigil.
Ay, leche.
Never even had. I have every reason to miss and I just don't know where I could find the strength to let you go when the only life I've come to know packed his bags and left me alone.
Pag kayo may sakit, kumain ng kumain, hindi yung inaalagaan nyo yung sakit nyo.
So before it's too late.
Masakit para sa akin na uuwi ako na wala na ang papa ko. Dahil sa huli, hindi ko man lang naiparamdam sa kanya ng kung gaano ko siya kamahal. Pero at least, bago nawala ang papa ko, nagkapatawaran kami. Pinatawad niya ako, pinatawad ko na rin siya. Pero kahit gano'n ang nangyari, mahal na mahal ko ang papa ko. Walang kahit sino na may mananakit sa kanya, ako talaga ang humaharap. Ganyan ko kamahal ang papa ko. Naalala ko pa nga noon, mga bata pa kami.
Ganyan si Papa. Bebe, ang iyong gamot. Dapat hindi pwedeng maubusan. Lagi mo dapat dala-dala at ang sikmura mo.
Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word will make me go rushing back to you. I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in.